Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to make your day better with 3 power poses. These are 3 simple poses that you can do to totally enhance and improve your day. They'll make you feel more powerful. They will make people look at you as being more powerful, and they'll just generally bring a better feeling on to you. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first power pose is putting your hands in the air just like you want a trophy. It's gonna look like this. Put your hands up in the air just like that. And what you wanna do is you wanna really get that energy, bring it from your body, and you wanna throw it up into the sky. So you're going like this right here, just like that. Just like that. And that's the power pose that's going to bring that energy upwards. You're going to increase your energy by going like that and just act like you just won a trophy. Yes, congratulations, you just won a trophy. That's the first power pose. The second power pose that's going to make you feel more powerful and look more confident is the Superman pose. Now what you want to do is you want to take your hands, bring them to your side like that, and just puff out your chest like that. And when you do that, it's going to allow you to just feel like you have a massive amount of energy. It's going to allow you to feel more confident. And guess what? When you feel more confident and you look more confident, people will view you as being more confident, and they will view you as being more powerful. So get your hands, bring them down to the side of your body like that, just to your lower lats. Push inwards and then just pump out your chest like that. You really just want to have that power pose, and that's going to allow you to just, your confidence is just going to go absolutely through the roof. And the third power pose is great for energizing yourself. If you want to energize yourself, if you want to feel energetic, all that you have to do is jump up and down and sort of breathe in and out nice and deeply, just like this. And what that's going to do is that's going to elevate your heart rate. It's going to allow you to breathe nice and deep breaths. It's really going to bring forth all of the energy that you have up into your body. So with that being said, that's a simple pose that will really truly allow you to pump yourself up. And they are 3 power poses that you can use effectively. Now, I would recommend doing these by yourself, simply because you don't want to be in front of someone that you're trying to, let's say, make a sale with, and then you're jumping up and down. It doesn't exactly look the best. You might want to do that behind the scenes, and then when you get in front of the person, then you'll go ahead and you're going to actually take it, you're going to bring forth the energy that the power pose gave you. But you can take the Superman power pose and you can adjust it slightly so that you can do it in front of people. And that's just, you take your hands, you put them to the side like this, and you're talking like this. You don't have to push your chest out all the way. Just bring your hands to the side like this, and that's going to allow you to sort of give off that dominant pose, because you have a nice wide stance like this. If you get wide like that, it's going to allow you to just seem more confident and seem more powerful. And that's basically it. Those are 3 simple power poses that will totally make your day better. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.